Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. And today we're going to look at this massive lipoma that was treated by Dr. Sandra Lee. For those of you who love Dr. Sandra Lee, please check out our page for the full video removal, but we're going to give you an update on the patient's progress 1 month after removal. The video itself got 5.5 million views. Dr. Lee says it looks like a human head, and she calls it an over-the-shoulder boulder holder. Despite her professionalism and endearing demeanor, a few fans thought the term was a little offensive, but that's the nature of the internet. People are always offended. The growth is actually a fatty mass known as a lipoma. It's a benign tumor and it technically causes very few health risks, other than it being unsightly. People often get them removed when they become embarrassing or cause issues with range of motion. This woman must have waited a while for the removal. It actually took less than 4 minutes for Dr. Pimple Popper to remove the growth. And here are a few images of the growth post-removal. Before I give you the post-op update, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. Adam and I post new videos every single week. Also, for reference, the growth weighed a full 7.2 pounds. That's absolutely massive. So here are the photos we promised from 1 month later. You can see that the growth doesn't appear to be returning. Kudos to Dr. Sandra Lee for her procedure. Click like if you're a Sandra Lee fan and enjoy her work. Let's see how many people out there are Dr. Lee fans. We'll see you next time.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz, triple toe loop combination.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team THINERGY. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Karen sold it.